From a tiny, vibrant sprout to the roar of heavy machinery tearing through unforgiving desert rock, this is the extreme birth of a billion-dollar beverage. Transforming barren wasteland into a thriving agricultural gold mine requires brute force, scraping away boulders to reveal the canvas for an unlikely oasis. Massive bulldozers push forward, carving perfectly straight avenues deep into the yellow sand to create the geometric foundation of a colossal farm. Deep below this arid surface, heavy-duty industrial drills bite into the earth to tap hidden aquifers that will sustain the entire crop. Harnessing the unyielding sunlight, workers install vast solar panel arrays to power the off-grid irrigation network, making the remote plantation completely self-sufficient. In the nursery, cultivation begins with surgical precision as razor-sharp blades slice fleshy green pads away from mature mother plants. Gloved hands carefully plunge each freshly cut genetic blueprint into nutrient-dense soil pots within a climate-controlled greenhouse. Almost like magic, a pale green, heavily armored sprout pushes out from the edge, rapidly expanding with extraordinary vitality. Once robust enough to face the elements, these potted clones are loaded onto slow-rolling agricultural tractors and distributed rhythmically along the sandy corridors. Out under the open sky, workers dig shallow holes to nestle the rooted base of each young cactus firmly into the warm earth. To ensure survival, black agricultural tubing is unspooled and stretched tightly alongside every new row, creating a highly efficient ground-level hydration network. Crews follow close behind, casting a dark, nutrient-rich layer of organic fertilizer over the sand to enrich the root zone. Soon, crystal-clear groundwater weeps from microscopic holes in the tubing, sinking slowly into the compost to deliver exact hydration without evaporation. Precision agriculture takes flight as a high-tech drone sweeps low, releasing a fine mist of liquid nutrients over the green stalks, baking in the desert shadows. A technician then plunges a digital sensor probe deep into the ground, calculating soil salinity to guarantee optimal mineral balance. As maturity sets in, vibrant buds erupt at the very top of the fleshy pads, opening into stunningly delicate, brightly colored flowers. A honeybee, thoroughly dusted in golden pollen, scrambles across the stamen to perform the crucial act of natural cross-pollination. The delicate petals soon dry up and fall away, revealing a tiny green baby prickly pear fruit bristling with microscopic fuzzy spines. Over several weeks, it swells with complex sugars, shifting from unripe green into an intense, deep magenta masterpiece. Because of the treacherous thorns, workers use long metal tongs to grip the ripe fruit, applying a gentle twist to snap it off without physical contact. The freshly detached crimson harvest is carefully released into a ventilated plastic basket. Once a basket hits capacity, dozens of brightly colored prickly pears cascade heavily into a massive gray agricultural storage bin. Thickly gloved hands immediately sift through the bounty, pulling out any split or crushed specimens to guarantee only flawless fruits advance. A heavy-duty forklift smoothly elevates the loaded pallet, gliding the immense bins safely into the back of a waiting transport vehicle. This state-of-the-art refrigerated truck accelerates down a paved highway, rapidly hauling the temperature-controlled payload away from the scorching agricultural zone. The journey ends as the trailer reverses precisely into the loading dock of a fully enclosed processing facility illuminated by bright warehouse lights. Inside the spotless factory, another forklift tilts the massive bin forward, spilling a tumbling wave of raw fruit onto a stainless steel receiving conveyor. The vibrant magenta harvest moves smoothly down the line, entering a fully enclosed industrial-grade washing tunnel. An aggressive barrage of high-pressure water jets blasts the fruit, stripping away heavy layers of accumulated desert dust. The prickly pears then roll across rapidly spinning bristle brushes, creating intense friction that completely eliminates those stubborn, dangerous needles. Emerging perfectly smooth, flawlessly clean, and dripping wet, the transformed fruit glides along a sterile track under bright clinical illumination. An endless avalanche of cleaned produce plunges violently into the gaping stainless steel mouth of a massive industrial crusher. Deep inside a matrix of high-speed steel blades, pulverizes the thick skin and fleshy interior, destroying the fruit's solid structure. A heavily textured crimson slurry packed with seeds and dense pulp crashes out of the discharge chute into a shiny holding tank below. Mechanical pumps kick in, forcefully driving this thick mixture directly into the heart of a heavy-duty industrial membrane filtration system. Hydraulic rams slowly but relentlessly push heavy plates together using incredible mechanical pressure to squeeze every drop of moisture out of the pulp. Pure, brilliantly saturated ruby red liquid bursts through the microscreens, cascading smoothly down a collection trough without a single trace of sediment. Backlit by strong factory lighting, the concentrated liquid races through specialized transparent piping that showcases its breathtaking jewel-toned clarity. An interior discharge valve pours a continuous stream of this unfiltered perfection into an absolutely massive, sterilized stainless steel storage silo. The bottling phase kicks off as an army of elegant, crystal-clear glass containers clinks softly while marching down an automated metallic track. A rotating plastic star wheel fluidly intercepts the line, spacing the bottles out perfectly beneath the overhead filler heads. With mechanical synchronization, a row of metallic nozzles drops down, plunging accurately into the narrow openings of dozens of waiting bottles. The gorgeous ruby liquid surges from the spouts, rising rapidly to create a stunning visual contrast against the sleek, transparent glass. As they move forward, a precision optical laser shoots a crimson beam across every neck to guarantee the fill volume is absolutely identical across the batch. The verified bottles squeeze tightly together, merging into the circular hub of the rotary capping machine. Steel chucks slam down with a swift, high-torque spin to lock threaded metal caps on tight, creating an airtight seal. Bright flashes illuminate the line as a machine vision camera snaps rapid-fire photos of every passing lid, instantly rejecting any crooked tops. Before labels are applied, an intense blast from an industrial air knife aggressively shears away residual moisture, leaving the exterior bone dry. Accelerating on the conveyor, the dry bottles whip through a high-speed labeling station where a cylinder of printed material unspools. A precision roller presses down, wrapping an elegant, cactus-themed label tightly around the curved glass to establish its commercial identity. A sharp blue laser sweeps horizontally across the fresh label, reading the printed barcode to verify flawless printing and legibility. Further down the line, a synchronized metal bar swings outward to cleanly corral exactly 6 bottles into a squared-off cluster. A sophisticated robotic arm swoops down from above, clamping its custom grippers securely around the heavy six-pack with absolute ease. Gliding effortlessly, the machine lowers the bottles precisely into a pre-opened, eco-friendly cardboard carton. The filled box advances through a folding gauntlet where strategically placed steel plows forcefully bend the front rear and side flaps inward. Pulled through a taping mechanism, a continuous strip of clear adhesive is aggressively flattened across the seams to permanently seal the package. An industrial inkjet head fires microscopic droplets of black ink at blistering speeds, stamping a highly legible production date directly onto the moving cardboard. At the end of the line, a massive palletizing robot uses powerful vacuum suction to hoist multiple sealed boxes, pivoting to stack them in interlocking layers on a wooden pallet. A towering roll of transparent stretch film orbits the completed pallet at dizzying speeds, binding the stacked cartons into an immovable block of cargo. A whisper-quiet electric forklift slides its forks into the base, gently hoisting the immense weight of the finished juice into the air. Raising its mast high, the forklift carefully deposits the fully loaded pallet onto the heavy-duty steel shelving of a multi-tiered commercial warehouse, ready for global distribution.